Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to up your content writing game, you're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, these tips we're about to share will help you create compelling and engaging content that keeps your audience hooked. So, let's dive right in. Tip 1. Understand your audience. First and foremost, understanding your audience is key. You need to know who you're writing for. What are their interests, problems, and preferences? Tailoring your content to resonate with your target audience will make your writing more impactful. Tip 2. Craft captivating headlines. Your headline is the first impression you make. It should be attention-grabbing and give a sneak peek into what your content offers. Utilize strong words, create curiosity, and promise value to entice your readers to click and read more. Tip 3. Outline your content before you start writing. Outline your content. This roadmap will keep your thoughts organized and help maintain a logical flow. Break down your main points, subpoints, and any supporting information you want to include. Tip 4. Focus on clarity and simplicity. Clear and simple writing is effective writing. Avoid jargon or complex language that could alienate your readers. Aim for concise sentences that deliver your message without unnecessary fluff. Tip 5. Tell a story. People love stories. We're wired to connect with narratives. Integrate components of narrative into your content, forging relatability and leaving an indelible impression. Personal anecdotes, examples, and case studies can bring your points to life. Tip 6. Use engaging visuals. Visuals, such as images, infographics, and videos, can enhance your content. They break up the text, make it visually appealing, and help explain complex concepts. Just remember to keep them relevant and high quality. Tip 7. Add value and solve problems. Your content should address your audience's needs. Whether it's providing information, answering questions, or offering solutions to their problems, always aim to deliver value. This approach will ensure your audience remains engaged and eager for further content. Tip 8. Edit and proofread thoroughly. Never underestimate the power of editing and proofreading. After writing, take a break, then come back to review your work. Check for grammatical errors, typos, and ensure your ideas flow smoothly. Tip 9. Incorporate SEO best practices. If you're writing for online platforms, understanding SEO is crucial. Conduct research to identify pertinent keywords, seamlessly integrating them into your content. This helps your content rank higher on search engines and reach a wider audience. Tip 10. End with a strong call to action, CTA. As we come to an end, wrap up your content by offering a captivating invitation to actively and meaningfully get involved. What do you want your readers to do after consuming your content? Whether it's subscribing, sharing, commenting, or taking a specific action, guide them. Conclusion. Hence, you're now equipped with a premier collection of 10 suggestions to elevate your mastery in the art of content creation. Remember, practice makes perfect. The act of writing consistently will inevitably refine your skills over time. So, go ahead and put these tips into action, and watch your content shine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share with fellow writers. Thanks for watching, and happy writing! For a deeper understanding of writing techniques and innovative perspectives, explore the supplementary videos provided on our channel. Until next time, keep writing and keep growing. Bye.